Welcome back everyone, Crowon here again, and we're going to go ahead and start on our enhancements now. So we're going to hit UCE Account Unlockables. So we're going to go ahead and get that imported. And Account Unlockables. Import. Apparently give it a hot minute. There you go. So we have an enhancements section. We're just going to open that up in our Account Unlockables, and let's open that README like normal. Mine opened over here. Double click. Alright, so in here, there's not much to what we need to do to set this up. So all it wants us to do is take our resources here and move it. Alright, so let's open up resources. And these are items, but I want to keep them separate due to actually no, we don't need to. Well, let's move it into items. Let me get rid of this folder. Alright, so this item we just added, this is going to be an unlockable for premium. That's the biggest piece that this can accomplish for you, especially when you put it together with all of our other interactable add-ons like NPC requirements and stuff like that. You really can bring the full potential of this out. But we're going to show you how to make it work here, just to give you an idea. So this is an item, and in here it's under Account Unlockables. We have, or it's going to unlock premium status, so that's the name it's going to unlock, and then use the item up when it activates. So let's go ahead and collapse these. And now we don't really need to do anything else in here. So right now we have everything is set up where we can play normally. So I'm going to click on the Alchemist and hit F so we go back down to our scene. And right now, since we only have regular interactions in here for requirements, we're going to go ahead and go to this interactable object, which is this bad boy, and scroll down, and we're going to open up the interaction requirements. And we're going to add a new requirement under UCE Account Unlockables, and here we're going to put premium. Now you can do this on teleporters, you can do this on these objects like this for accessing chests, going into dungeons, so on. If you have the NPC requirements, you can even restrict NPCs on premium. So this is a strong way to implement premium into your game without having to have a bunch of excess or external requirements to make it happen. So if you want someone to get it this way, you can put this item on your in-game store, they buy it, they use it, and they have premium, and so on. So we're going to hit play, and we're going to see that this interactable object is going to tell us we can't use it anymore unless we have premium. So we're going to click on it, and it says requires account unlockable premium. I try to interact, it does nothing. All you do is cancel. So we're going to go ahead and stop. And we need to go to our Alchemist, and we need to put that item up for sale. So we're going to go down to our items. Right here, we're going to add another one. And resources, items, premium unlock. Let's drop that in. Just because I don't feel like setting up the store, item store, we're going to just use the Alchemist because it's simple and easy. We'll collapse that. And we'll hit play. Come up to our beautiful Alchemist. And we'll go ahead and buy one of these bad boys. We'll click on it, and now it says you've unlocked premium. We'll click here, interact with object, and now we can. Beautiful. So that is how you get account unlockables set up and how you can use them with premium or any other functionality to restrict players on item requirements in your game. Catch you in the next one.